Hey guys, how's it going? Chris here with ACN. I was in the area of Knott's Farm, so I figured I'd just quickly swing on by and do a really quick update here. All right, let's go check things out. I'm gonna start things off by heading into Ghost Town and showing you guys something that I missed last time I was here, which is this right over here next to Ghost Rider. There used to be the Spurs Steakhouse, which was a sit-down restaurant, and it's been closed for some time. And then last year they had teased that there was going to be this Mrs. Murphy's Kitchen. They had a little sign in the window here, and then the sign was removed, and we were thinking that it was completely canceled. But they have some signage now. This is really awesome. I always welcome more dining locations here at the park, which already has a few places that we can go, and adding one more, absolutely love it. Okay, I'm gonna go over to Camp Snoopy and see what they've done in the past week. Coming up on the new Beagle Express, which had its tracks under construction last time I was here. And like I was saying, all they really needed to do was fill this in with gravel, and that has been done. Brought it up to level. Oh, cool, there's like a little cart there on the track. I wonder what that's being used for. Oh, it's obviously, duh, they're using it to bring in all the ties for the construction of it. And there goes Silver Bullet again. But yeah, it looks really good. They got the track going all the way over, and then it ends right where the bridge is there. So they still have quite a bit of work to do. When I was here last time, I thought maybe they would complete it by now. It's taking a little bit longer than expected, but anywho, let's move along. There you go again with Silver Bullet. Good timing. Let's check in on the log ride. Well, the log ride is still closed. No water in the channel yet. Well, hopefully soon. Oh, here we are with one of the new fast lane machines, and they have it nicely wrapped to look like wood. Nice job, Knotts. Heading into Fiesta Village now, have to wait for the train, but here's something new. Hanging up high there, they have all those, I forget what you call them, like the flags, which are in the concept art. But yeah, it's a really nice detail that I was hoping they were gonna install. It's been a year, or almost a year since Fiesta Village reopened, and well, here we are. I love it. Still nothing to report on over here at Zumas Revenge, but here it is. And there's that. Same as it's been for a while. As I head into Camp Snoopy, I see that there's a gap in the wall over here. Let's take a peek. This is for the OffRoad Rally, and it's just a bunch of markers right now. And over here at the Snoopy's Tenderpaw Twister Coaster, they are framing up the roof of the station. Now let's go take a peek over here. Oh yeah, they've made a good amount of progress since last week. They have all the scaffolding up there, and they are getting that station put together. Really awesome. Nothing new with Sally's Swing Along. It is still over at the storage site. I saw it when I was driving in. Let's see what's going on over here. Still no progress over here at the waterfall area, but the new restroom is coming together really nicely there. It is almost completely framed. They're just gonna have to get all the exterior stuff on there, and then you can see the station in the background there, looking really good. Here's just a nice overview of the construction area as it is today. And they are also working on this end of the Off-Road Rally where the Huff and Puff was. A lot of markers, a lot of workers. Let's take a look at the track work for Beagle Express. And wow, they've dug an entire trench here. I think it's gonna be for maybe irrigation or electrical. Yeah, maybe electrical. It is gonna be a new electrical train, who knows. Also over here, it's all dug up. All right, this is a different look at things, and it looks like a bunch of conduit. Let's see over here. And yeah, guy's walking with it over there. That's my guess. It looks like a bunch of electrical conduit. All right, moving along. These two areas right here are looking very much the same as last week. A lot of dirt and still no stage, still no airmail, but that'll happen soon. Here at the camp store, and the clock still has not returned. And then one last thing, over here they have the area cleared for that Snoopy statue that was shown in the concept art. And that's gonna go right here, welcoming visitors into Camp Snoopy. All right guys, that wraps things up here at Knott's Berry Farm. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Later.